up, you guys? Today I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY inspired from an IG post. Here are the colors that I'm going to be using. You can use whatever colors that fit your Christmas theme. I am making 2 jumbo ornaments using 4 punch bowls and 2 small bowls with decoratives for the top. I am spraying the insides of the bowls, but you can totally skip this part. I'm just being a little extra. I also coated my bowls twice to get a more vibrant look. For the next step, I'm using my Gorilla Clear Grip. However, you can use a hot glue gun. I actually use both and I found that they work the same. For this part, make sure to be real careful. I feel like I had to do this part about 3 times off camera before I actually got it right. These bowls don't match up the same, so you got to be careful when you're placing it because it will fall through and you'll have to keep doing it over until you finally get it right. Here's what both bowls look like glued down, and it's secured really well. You don't see any spaces in between, so they look almost flawless, like they go together. So now we're going to go ahead and glue the smaller bowls on top. You want to use that circle that you see on the bottom of your bowl as your guide so that it'll come out even and it doesn't look like it's crooked. I did add these 2 bigger ornaments because it just wasn't doing enough for me, but it's totally what you prefer. These are your ornaments, so do what you want, friend. Here's the final look, and I absolutely love my new jumbo ornaments. They are going to go perfect next to my Christmas tree. Well, that's going to be it for this quick, inexpensive DIY project. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!